Hello everyone, welcome back in the series of Let Us Learn Computer. We are working with MS Word and in the previous videos I have told you about the Home tab. Now in this video I am going to start the next option, that is Insert Menu. Here you can see under the Insert Menu different options are given like pages, tables, illustrations, links, setting of header and footer, text and symbols. There are a variety of options in this and it is very useful. So we will start with the first option, that is pages. Okay, under this you can see these three options are given at the top. You can see first one is cover page. Okay, cover page, like if you are writing a book or a magazine or even if you are working on any project, the first page is the cover page, which we need to be which we want in a more attractive. Okay, we want it more attractive. So for this we have, by default we have got variety of options here. You can just choose. You don't have to do any you don't have to make such a designed paper. So this cover page you don't have to design, it is already available. You can see very nicely it is given. So I can go for this one. Okay, like I have selected this first one and we can make the changes. Here you have to mention the year, like I have already selected here. Year is already selected, that today. Okay, so year is 2020 and we can mention here. And here is for the title. You can add any title. There is no editing required. Here the title box is already there. Just you need to type the name. Like computer training I have written. And this option is given for the subtitle. Here you can see it's written subtitle. So subtitle I have mentioned here, like we are working on MS Word. Even you can add a more description, you can add down in these below. Okay, now we'll come down. So this is our cover page, and down the cover page you can write the name of the company or the author, whosoever is making this. So I'll obviously I am going to write my name here. Okay, and the date is already mentioned here. So like this the cover page can be designed. Like this more varieties of cover page we can find. I'll show you more so that you can get an idea. See the name as I have written in the previous one, here it is shown. So we can go for this option. Even you don't like this, you can go for this, even more attractive. Okay, all the things what I have mentioned are shown here. You can see. If you want another option, you can go for this also. You can see it's more formal it is looking. The year is highlighted at the left corner, name is given, and the title what we have written in the previous page is already by default it is showing here, computer training. So like this we can design a cover page. Just after the cover page, now cover page is over. Now we need to write. Okay, so here I am going to write. So like this I am writing teacher. Okay, so this is the text I have written here. Now what I want to do is, first I need to add some text, then it will work. I'll copy this and just I can enter and go for Control V. Like this I have copied, but now I found that I only need to write 3 lines in this page. I don't want more hodgepodge in one particular page. I want only this much to come in first page and this second part I want in another page. So what I can do, one option what we are doing is putting enter. It's very difficult, no, putting 10 times enter to bring the next page. So here my cursor is there. What I want is I want a new page from here. Okay, so just I will click a cursor here and I will click on a page break. So what happens, you can see the first part is in this page and the second part is in the new page. This is the option of page break. You can see this is breaking the page. Wherever I will put the cursor, the current position, it will be divided into 2 parts. Blank page, we can add a blank page, or we can click on enter, or automatically we can come to the blank page. You can see the page is added. Now the 6 pages are there. I have got a blank page in between these text. How? Because the cursor was at a particular place, I have clicked blank page. Again blank page has come. 7 pages are there and I am on the 5th page because the cursor was here. Like this you can add blank page and you can break the page as per the requirement. Like I have written whole page and I feel like this is not looking good, so we can divide into 2 paragraphs. Just click here and click on page break. So now the text is divided into 2 different pages. right? So this is about pages. In the next video, I will tell you about the tables, as it is a very vast option. So many options are there under this table. Okay, so I will be telling in detail in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.